Alright guys, so as I move down it, you can definitely see that pearl effect shimmering. This truck looks great now. I think Cisco will be very happy with it, and for a budget paint job, man, you can't beat it. But yeah, you can definitely see the sparkle, guys. I'll try and stay out of it as much as possible so you guys can see the sparkling, but pretty good, all things considered. What do you guys think? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Man, if there's one thing I hate more than anything else, it's a scammer. I have somebody going through all my comments on my last video that I had titled Massive Spray Gun Giveaway so that most of my subscribers would hopefully watch it. And they are posing as me. They stole my profile pic and they name themselves at Whitley Auto Works. One way you can tell me versus anybody else that names himself at Whitley Auto Works is mine will actually appear in a black bubble that shows you that it's the official Whitley Auto Works. It's actually me and not somebody who just named their profile randomly at Whitley Auto Works. So go figure, right? Man, always something. So anyway, guys, I will never contact you in comments telling you you won anything. And the giveaway I talked about is not currently live yet. I'm going to do that in probably a couple weeks. I'm waiting on some stickers to come in. I'm waiting on some pearls to come in. I'm waiting on a lot of stuff to come in, really. And then I'm actually in the process of creating a website. We're going to have everything on there. It's going to be nice, neat, and orderly. So that's one of the reasons why I don't have a more interesting video for you guys today. It's about to rain. It's really overcast outside. And of course, I don't want CISCO'S truck getting wet right now. It's been about 48 hours since I painted it, and it's looking pretty good. Not too bad at all. I think he's really going to like it. I sent him pictures and videos and stuff like that, and I showed you guys, and yeah, this is what I'm dealing with today. So yeah, a little bit overcast. Not really the weather for painting, but oh well. And of course, there's CISCO'S truck. Looks really, really nice. I think you'll be thoroughly pleased with it, especially when you get it out in the sun. Flow coating made a big difference, guys. Not disappointed with that at all. A few little dust nibs, that's to be expected. We're in the shop, and I've done a little bit of changing around on my filter process because I think I figured out what caused the little droplets in my paint job issue. So I get a lot of questions about my compressor setup. I actually have a 5 horsepower 80-gallon Ingersoll Rand, but I have a secondary 40 or 50-gallon tank, and then I have a filter. It's one of those big filters like you see on a pool. I have one of those, and then I have everything coming in through an air line right here running into this little cobalt filter. I had a regulator here with one of those little small gun filters, but I was like, that ain't enough. I need another way I can bleed it, so I put another filter in line. I did get a lot of overspray. I'm sure you saw with CISCO'S paint job on this truck, but I don't think that was my problem. I think I actually had water in my line. So that's another thing I don't talk about enough is filtration, guys, when you're painting. That will cause all sorts of issues. That'll cause fish eyes. If you get oils from the compressor in your air line and that gets on your panel, that'll cause issues. So you definitely want to have good filtration whenever you're painting. So just a quick little tip. So now that I got CISCO'S mess painted and hopefully out of the way this weekend, we got to figure out what we're going to paint next, guys. Y'all want to paint the SRT4, or maybe we'll go another round with the shop truck? There's a lot of options. So yeah, guys, the giveaway is not yet live. I am setting everything up. I got a new website coming out with some new shirts and a bunch of new stuff for you guys to check out. I'm really excited about it. It's been a lot of work. I've been kind of working on that in the background as well as other little odds and ends projects, and just wanted to give you guys a quick update about the scam. So don't fall for that scam. Don't put your information online. And I will never contact you guys in the comments. You know, I always tell you to email me. That way you'll know it's from my official Whitley Auto Works email. If we do any kind of discussing, now you might notice in the comments a lot of times people ask me prices on what I charge to paint. And I always tell them, you know, email me directly. I don't talk business. And I won't talk giveaways like that online for that reason, you know, alone, just because I don't want anybody trying to pose as me and scam somebody out of some money or information or whatever else, guys. So one thing I have pretty much figured out about the giveaway is you will have to be 18 in order to win. So there's that. And then also, guys, I will have a free entry. I know I had a couple people email me and say, hey, you know, I can't afford anything right now. Can I enter the giveaway for free? And yeah, I'll have an email form, guys, just basic contact form, so you can kind of sign up for the mailing list of the new, oh, can't tell that yet. So I'll have an emailing list, guys, to where you can sign up, and when you sign up, you'll get an automatic 1 entry for the giveaway. And then, of course, you can buy sticker packs, which give you 1 entry. So odds of winning are going to be whatever it is, guys. Luck of the draw, completely at random. And, you know, I'll appreciate any support for the sticker packs, but you won't necessarily have to buy them in order to possibly win. So that's kind of cool, too. You know, no purchase necessary. Yeah, so that's kind of where that's at, guys. A lot going on in the background with the website and everything else. And hopefully I can get the scammer out of my hair and we can get back to some videos when the weather gets better. But for now, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I'll keep you updated with the prizes and stuff like that. Oh yeah, well, I'll show you some of what I got. So you guys aren't getting my Wagner. My Wagner's a little dirty, and I'd love to give away this thing right here. It's really, really good, but it's really, really big. Here's a few Arita paint guns. I got a D1 Drizzle to give away. I got a lot of Timu guns, the Golden Gun, and another one that's a Winpool, I think. The High Chica gun, I'm giving that away. I got a 2-gun set right there, so I'll be giving that away. So, yeah, and this is just some of the items I'll be giving away. So, yeah, guys, I've been taking kind of a chill day a little bit with the rain and everything else. A little overcast, so not really ideal enough for spray outs. I know sometimes I'll just put it out anyways, but, you know, people get agitated with me because they didn't get to see it out in the sun, and I get it, you know. I'm kind of the same way, but I was trying to put out a video, so I didn't do that today. Today, I'm just taking a different approach, and then I saw I had a scammer out there, so I was like, well, let me make a video, notify you guys, show you the results of CISCO'S truck, and yeah, just talk about a few things, kind of one-on-one or one on 34,500. We got a lot of subscribers now, guys, and I appreciate every single one of you that continues to watch every video and look at my mug. But yeah, that's really all I got for you today, guys. I will keep you updated when we do the giveaway and when the website goes live, and I'm going to go work on some of that now, I think. But appreciate you guys for tuning in with me today. I know this was short and sweet, but oh well, I guess. All right, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next video.